Pepeto is a crypto project that defines itself as the god of frogs. This statement is actually symbolic. Pepeto claims to represent wisdom and power, and it emphasizes two things that are lacking especially in the meme coin world: technology and optimization. According to the project, Pepe overlooked these areas. But Pepeto emerges as a system that fills these gaps. And here is the most important point. Pepeto is not just a meme coin. It aims to offer a technology-focused solution. Now, we will explain how the system works. Pepeto's operating logic is built on several main systems. First, cross-chain bridge. Pepeto aims to build bridges between different blockchains. In other words, a token is locked on one chain and its equivalent is created on another chain. Thanks to this system, transfers can be made between Ethereum, BNB, and Solana. And according to the claim, these transactions are carried out securely and at low cost. Secondly, a zero-fee exchange. Another claim of Pepeto is zero transaction fees. So users do not pay any commission when making transactions. This system operates in a decentralized manner without intermediaries and is entirely user-focused. And the most important claim is this: all the value from the transactions remains in the user's wallet. Thirdly, the artificial intelligence security system. Another notable feature of Pepeto is its artificial intelligence-powered token scanning system. This system analyzes scam codes, hidden mint operations, and malicious functions before a token is listed on the exchange and provides investors with a security score. How does the cross-chain bridge work? Now we come to one of the most important technologies. How does the cross-chain bridge work? To begin the process, step 1 is to initiate the transfer. First, the user carefully selects the specific token they want to send, and then chooses the intended destination blockchain network. At this point, the bridge smart contract comes into play and initiates the transaction. Step 2. Locking the assets on the source chain. The selected tokens are locked in a smart contract on the source chain. What is this? What does it mean? These digital tokens can absolutely no longer be transferred to others, spent on transactions, or duplicated in any way. This comprehensive system carefully verifies and confirms that the locking process is entirely valid. Step 3 is the actual minting of your assets on the target chain. Then, an identical quantity of new tokens is minted on the specified destination blockchain, and these tokens are securely sent directly to the user's wallet. So, in fact, the token is not actually transferred, it is just locked on one chain and recreated on the other. Step 4, the result. So, there are a few important points to pay attention to in this system. The tokens never leave the blockchain. The total supply remains constant. For example, the amount locked on chain A is equal to the amount created on chain B. There is no central intermediary. If the transaction fails, the lock is released and the tokens are returned. And the most striking claim is that transactions are carried out with zero fees. Additionally, the entire process is automatically verified by smart contracts. No manual operations, no waiting. In short, the system works as follows: locking, verification, and creation on the other chain. Step 4, the result. There are a few important points to pay attention to in this system. Tokens never leave the blockchain. The total supply remains constant. So, for a clear example, the total amount of assets currently locked on chain A must be exactly equal to the specific amount of tokens newly created on chain B. There is no central intermediary. In the event that the transaction fails to complete, the security lock is automatically released, and all of the tokens are safely returned to the original wallet. And here is the striking claim. All transactions are carried out with absolutely zero fees. Additionally, the entire process is automatically verified by smart contracts. No manual operations, no waiting. In short, the system works like this: lock, verify, create on the other chain. Now let's move on to the token distribution. The total supply is distributed as follows: 30% pre-sale. The aim is to provide liquidity at the initial stage of the project and attract investors. 30% for staking. 30% is allocated for staking rewards. This also encourages investors for the long term. 20% for marketing. This is the share allocated for promotion and growth. In other words, we can think of things like social media campaigns. A total of 7.5% is allocated for the development phase. A 7.5% share is set for the ongoing growth of the project. 12.5% is allocated for liquidity. This ensures that transactions are more stable and seamless. Now let's move on to how to buy Pepeto. I will show you step by step. To start things off, we are going to click right here on this button. Buy Pepeto. A wallet connection prompt will appear. From here, we connect our wallet. We confirm it. And the wallet is connected. You can clearly see it here. What will you use to buy Pepeto? If it's Ethereum, you select Ethereum. If it's Tether, you select Tether. If it's a card, you make the transaction with your card. For example, if you are going to buy with Ethereum, you enter the amount here. Here, for 1 Ethereum, you get this much Pepeto. The price of Pepeto is written here. It's equivalent in dollars. For example, Tether. Equivalent to $1,000. You can see it right here. This is the amount of Pepeto that will come to your wallet. When you first initiate the purchase by clicking the Buy button, please keep in mind that your Pepeto tokens will not be transferred directly into your digital wallet right away. This process is more about waiting for the specific timing, when the token is actually about to be listed on exchanges. Just before that listing occurs, the team will make a formal announcement through all of their official social media communication channels to keep everyone informed. Follow their social media accounts. When you see this announcement, you will see Pepeto in your wallet. So if you buy Pepeto right now, it won't appear in your wallet yet. You will be able to see it in your wallet when it is listed or close to the listing time. Pepeto is a combination of a meme coin and technology. It's a project that makes strong claims, but it's still in the early stages. So it could be an opportunity, but it also carries risks. Keep that in mind. In contrast to the traditional meme coins we often see, Pepeto stands out as a project aiming to provide solid infrastructure and advanced technology. But as always, it is absolutely crucial to thoroughly research every detail before investing your hard-earned money. If you find these insights helpful and want to see more comprehensive project reviews just like this one, please make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content. See you soon. Goodbye.